I'm about to show you how an essential oil inhaler can be your best friend when experiencing allergies. My name is Karen Williams. As a professional aromatherapist, I love to create amazing blends that inspire and promote a healthier lifestyle. I've been making my own homemade soaps for over 25 years. I got my start many years ago as a registered nurse working in the hospital system. This recipe is amazing because it's so cleansing and simple. We're not just masking the air, we're improving it. But along the way, I knew something was missing. I wanted to help people more holistically. So what you're seeing today is really a culmination of all the research that I've done. Then I discovered essential oils, and my approach to life changed forever. And you'll feel that calm but yet energetic focus that you're looking for. Now I've made it my mission to share what I've learned about aromatherapy with my friends, family, and the world. If you have smaller children, just simply leave out the Ravintsara or put it on yourself as you're holding your small one, and they'll get the benefit as well. Because life is so much better with health, happiness, and community. Let's start blending. I have been there with allergies, and I know how miserable they can be. Using over-the-counter remedies just caused some dryness in my nose, caused me to be sleepy, didn't really help me to feel very well. And that's when I started experimenting with essential oils. I relied on some research that I had available, and I discovered some blends that really helped to decrease the allergy symptoms in a way that didn't make me feel sleepy, didn't dry my nose out, helped me to feel more alert without being over anxious. Essential oils are remarkable when it comes to working on very specific issues. There are some scientifically studied components that are naturally in essential oils that are noted to help reduce allergy symptoms. A personal inhaler works really slick. With the essential oils inside, I just sniff on each nostril, and those essential oils go right into my olfactory system. Essential oil inhalers are easy to make, they're discreet to use, and they're very cost effective. I also love using a diffuser during an allergy season. The difference is a diffuser affects the entire household, the area or the room that I'm in, and anyone else who is in the room. Whereas a personal inhaler is something that is portable, can take it with me wherever I go, and the other people in my household don't have to experience it. Today I'm going to show you one of my favorite allergy relief inhalers. The oils that we're going to use are used specifically to help open up the breath, decrease inflammation, and decrease those symptoms that allergies bring. This recipe is one of my favorites, called the Hay Fever Relief Inhaler Blend. This is so simple to make, and I know you're going to love it. Our personal inhaler comes with 4 different parts. We'll set them off to the side, and at the end, I'll show you how to put them together. The inside is glass, the outside is metal, and I can easily take the top off. Now I'm prepared to add my blend into this. Today we're going to use some organic cotton. There's also a polyester wick that comes with each inhaler. I just simply tear off a piece of my cotton. I can put it directly into the glass container, or I can use a little blending bowl like I'm showing you today. We're using Eucalyptus Dives, Laurel Leaf, Ravintsara, and Douglas Fir essential oils. All of these essential oils are well known to help support the respiratory system, to open up the breath, and to decrease inflammation that often accompanies any of our seasonal allergy symptoms. At the end, I'm going to tell you how to blend this for children ages 5 to 10. We'll add 4 drops of our Eucalyptus Dives. Now this is different than Eucalyptus globulus. This does not have what we call a 1,8 cineol component in it that our Ravintsara and Laurel Leaf has. Excellent for allergies. 4 drops. And if you get an extra drop in, that's nothing to worry about. Our next oil is 4 drops of Laurel Leaf. This has a component called terpene Fir Oil, which is really great for mitigating those allergy symptoms. Then our Ravintsara, which reminds me a lot of eucalyptus because it has a lot of the same components. really opens up and makes you feel so great when you're not breathing so well. 4 drops. And lastly, 4 drops of Douglas fir. Douglas fir and all of our pine needle type trees are really great for the respiratory system. Now you simply take something sharp, such as what I have right here, or you can take any kind of a device that you can push in the cotton. And it looks like it won't fit, but it does really nicely. Just put it in like that. Now we just put the cap on and we put it inside the container. This is the cap. And to use it, I take the cap off. Breathe deeply in each nostril. Close the other nostril that you're not breathing into. Use this every couple of minutes, maybe every 15 minutes, maybe once an hour, until you get the relief that you're looking for allergies. Now I mentioned I would talk about children. Laurel Leaf and Ravintsara have that 1,8-cineol in it that's a little bit too strong right up against the nose for children between the ages of 5 to 10. So for them, simply leave out those oils and use 5 drops of your Eucalyptus Dives and 5 drops of your Douglas fir. If you'd like to try this out for your allergies, there's a really great bundle right down below that you can get all of the ingredients. If you're interested in going deeper into respiratory and essential oils and viruses, I have a workshop that I've done. It's about an hour and a half long, and you can find the link in the description below. Every month we do a special recipe, so be sure and subscribe down below, and you can watch previous episodes by clicking over here. I hope you've enjoyed today's blend, and I can't wait to see you next time.